In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Webflow templates in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Webflow or looking to streamline your editing process, these steps will guide you through the essentials with ease. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your browser and search for Webflow on Google. Click on the link to either log in or sign up, depending on whether you already have an account. After following the prompts to securely enter your credentials or create an account, you'll find yourself at the Webflow project dashboard. This is your central hub, where all your projects live. Take a moment to browse through your projects and select the one you wish to edit. Once chosen, simply hit the Designer button. This will open up the Webflow editor, which is where the magic happens. This user-friendly interface allows you to make changes to your project in real time, with all the tools you need at your fingertips. Now, focus on the content of your template. Clicking directly on any text element allows you to edit it right there on the canvas. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to tailor content to suit your needs. Plus, there's a floating toolbar that appears whenever you select text, offering various formatting options to enhance your text style and presentation. This way, you can ensure that all written content aligns perfectly with your vision. When it comes to media, select the container that holds your images or videos. You'll need to navigate to the Assets panel to add or change any media files. This panel hosts all the media you've uploaded, making it easy to switch out visuals if you're aiming for a fresh look or need to update outdated images. Moving on to link elements such as buttons or text, simply click to select the element and then use the link icon in the Settings menu to manage link settings. This is crucial for ensuring that your links direct visitors to the correct URLs or pages within your site. If you need to expand your site with additional pages, you'll find the plus icon in the Pages panel quite handy. Click it to create new pages and manage their settings. At the same time, you can customize existing pages by hovering over them in the Pages panel and clicking the cog icon. This brings up options to tweak settings like SEO or open graph tags, optimizing each page for better search engine performance. There might be times when you need to delete a page. To do this, simply click on the cog icon for the page you want to remove and then the trash can icon to delete it, keeping your project neat and organized. Finally, after all your edits and adjustments are in place, it's time to go live. Locate the Publish button and click it to make your changes public for everyone to see. Now, your site is updated and ready for visitors to explore.